Alrighty, what's going on everybody? Jordan here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of products from the Beard Struggle with their new and, according to the website, improved carrier oil blend and ingredients. Let's get started. Alrighty, so the Beard Struggle is based in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, founded in 2014, handmade products, according to the website. And also according to the website, the Canadian facility for Beard Struggle has a Health Canada approved research and development lab, and they use natural ingredients. The owner's name is Faisal. I'll pop up a picture of him in case you haven't seen him around. He's been in some of the Beard Struggle content recently. They're also paraben free. Next, let's talk about the products sold. Alrighty, so Beard Struggle sells beard oils, which for the gold line are $26 for one, and a combo of their day and night oils is $45. Silver line is $22 for one, combo is $38, and basically the difference between the two is they just use different ingredients. Supposedly the gold line uses higher end ingredients, which is why it's more expensive. And I said in my last review that the day and night oil thing is unnecessary in my opinion, so I just bought the one day oil. And then beard balm in the gold line, 26 or 22 in the silver. Beard butter, which is new, is $38 for the gold line and silver line, which off the top is really expensive for a beard butter. One of the most expensive that I've seen. We'll see if it can live up to that cost. And then they also have beard wash, which is now in an 8-ounce bottle, which is improved from the 4-ounce that they used to have. Gold line is 26, silver is 22. They also have mustache wax, I believe, which I think is on clearance, but you can check that out on the website. And the beard conditioner, also in an 8-ounce bottle, is 26 or 22, depending on whether you go gold or silver. Then for a gold line wash and conditioner combo, it's 45, silver is 38. Body wash, which I also have here, is 23 in the gold, 21 in the silver. And the scent that I have is Alfheim's Forest, which is part of the silver line. So we'll talk about that scent profile here in a little bit. And then they do have other stuff, cologne sample kit, beard oil sample kit, and a bunch of other stuff that you can check out on the website. I'm not going to go through all the prices now just for time, but then they also have merch and hats and that kind of thing, and a mask that seems pretty cool, that doesn't mess up your beard. Next, let's talk about the ingredients. Alrighty, so in the beard oil, the ingredients are golden jojoba oil, babsu oil, sunflower oil, castor oil, and obsidian oil. In the beard butter, it's mango butter, shea butter, green tea butter, black goji butter, prickly pear butter, mackay berry butter, black cumin seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, and chia seed oil, which is a really interesting blend, so I'm interested to see how that performs. And then in the balm, it's chia seed butter, rosehip butter, kukui nut oil, obsidian oil, black goji butter, shea butter, and beeswax. And then next, let's talk about the scents available. The scents available are Asgardian Secret, Sandalwood, which is sandalwood, vanilla, and bergamot. Tried that one. Valhalla's Gate is citrus, amber, sandalwood, and vanilla. I actually have an Instagram unboxing and first impressions of that scent before it got released. Is Dan Ziegler, who's one of the Beard Struggle's major ambassadors, was sending out a few testers, so I bought one and reviewed it. So you can check that out on my Instagram. I'll link that post down below. And then Viking Storm is oak moss, musk, apple, patchouli, and vanilla. That's a really good scent. I definitely enjoyed that one. And then the one that I have is Alfheim's Forest, which is woody, spices, and leather. And with that, let's get into this unboxing. Alrighty, so before we get into this unboxing, I do have to give props where props are due. They shipped this out on October 25th, according to the box. It's October 28th as I'm filming this. So this got from Vancouver to where I am in 3 days, which is really impressive. Compared to like when I used to get stuff from the Beard Struggle, it was typically 7 to 10 days. So they've improved their shipping, which is good. I like that. But yeah, with that, let's get into this unboxing. So you've got the Beard Struggle insignia on the box there. And then you got this pull tab to open it up. Cool, so no unboxing there if needed. Beard Struggle says, Skull Brother, welcome to the family. Beardstruggle.com, at the Beard Struggle on Instagram. There's a QR code that says do not scan, so I'm definitely going to scan that because I want to see what it says. You get the logo right there. Nice gold outline with some black paper on the inside. Yeah, let's check this out. Alright, let's take that out. And you got these new boxes, which are actually really nice. There's the oil, Day Liquid Tonic. Really nice black and silver box. They didn't have that the last time I ordered, so definitely manufactured by Phase Solutions. 8385 St. George Street, Unit 5-6, Vancouver, BC, Canada. It's got some instructions and what it does. Natural ingredients for all skin types, cruelty-free, made in Canada. Scan for product demo and beard tips. You got a QR code there, which is cool. That's a 1 ounce bottle. We'll get into that soon. Got this bracelet, which says unity, charity, growth, humility, integrity, and beard struggle. Little rubber bracelet for what it's worth. You got the Warriors Beard Balm, which is a 2 ounce container. Nice box for sure. I definitely like these boxes. These are quite nice. Like, can't knock them. You know, like I said, these are silver line. And then, yeah, that's the Warriors Beard Butter, also a 2 ounce. And then we've got the Radiance Beard Wash, which is in an 8 ounce bottle, like I mentioned. Same kind of box as well. Really nice unboxing experience so far. Definitely digging that. Got the Radiance Body Wash. I got everything here in Alpheim's Forest. So, matching scent for everything. And then this body wash is natural ingredients, no parabens for all skin types, vegan friendly, cruelty free, and made in Canada. Yeah, so let's carry on. We got the beard conditioner. There's some contact information. Check that out. Manufactured by Phase Solutions. Have to look into that. Never heard of that company, but that's who manufactures the products, it looks like. And we've got 10% off your next order. This pamphlet, which hasn't been updated with the new packaging on the products, but you know, that's a small detail. But I figured I'd mention that. And it just says welcome to the family. And in there it says one's back is vulnerable unless one has a brother, from Gratier Sega, and then it says unity is strength. You can see right there. It's definitely a cool unboxing experience. Yeah, with that, let's talk about these products. Alright, so start with the Day Liquid Tonic. Slide this open here. There we go. Peel this back. We've got the beard oil there. Standard dropper top 1 ounce bottle. Close that back up so I'm not making a mess. Get the Warriors Beard Butter. I definitely do have to give props on this packaging. Like, it's updated packaging, looks really nice. Got the insignia right there on the top. Nice labels too, black and silver all the way around. So definitely consistent branding. And I got the yeah. And then we've got the Warriors Beard Balm. Got that here, 2 ounces as well. Similar container to the butter. And then let's close this up, throw this to the side. And get the Radiance Body Wash. 8 ounce bottle, like I mentioned earlier. They definitely improved the packaging all around. So that's, yeah, that is definitely an 8 ounce bottle. That's the body wash. Definitely looking forward to testing that out. We got Radiance Beard Wash. I'm assuming the bottle is going to look very similar, also based on what I've seen on the website. So these are going to look very cohesive and similar if you do decide to check these out. And you have them in your shower or somewhere else in your bathroom. I'm struggling with this this box right now. There we go. Throw that there. It's the body wash. Wait. That. Huh? Oh, that's weird. So, looks like they mislabeled this, or they screwed up and sent me two body washes, like with my order, because these both say body wash on them. Yeah, so that's the body wash. Yeah, and then it looks like this is the beard wash, but yeah, but they just screwed up on the label. That's funny. Yeah, that's interesting. So that is one thing. Beard struggle. If anybody anybody's watching this, make sure you get your labels correct. It's kind of especially for like a normal customer. Like for me, I don't really care, but it'll still do the job. And there's the Radiance beard conditioner. Yeah, so this is definitely the beard wash and the conditioner. They just screwed up the labels, but that's the wash and the conditioner. And then you got the body wash as well. Now with that, let's check out this this scent here. So again, this is woodsy, spices, and leather. Crack this open. Oil still looks pretty medium, thin, medium. It's definitely I got the woodsy and the spicy first. Interesting. Yeah, so I have to definitely interested to check this out. We've got Balm in the butter to check out. Let's see. Tie that open. Got the seal. I also have other product in beards that could be interfering with the scent a bit. Yeah, it's interesting. Definitely have to get that in a beard because it is definitely it seems to be a more subtle scent. I'll see if they've how the hold is on this this new balm. And then got the beard butter. I got like a seal on the inside, which is cool. That's what the beard butter looks like. Interesting texture for sure. Yeah, it's a nice scent. I like it. And they had that in there for the butter so that it didn't like accidentally leak out or anything like that, which is cool. So I appreciate that. Alrighty, yeah, so that's Alpheim's Forest. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, so wrap up this video. Nice labels, nice unboxing experience, really nice packaging. The carrier oil blend ingredients seem interesting. Stay tuned for a review after I tested these in depth. I will link the beard struggle down below if you do want to check out the website. But I'd say stay tuned for my review before you spend the money because this stuff isn't cheap. And I'm going to put it through its paces, test it out a lot. Balm, oil, butter, wash, body wash, beard conditioner. Yeah, so I'll stay tuned for a review coming soon. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. If you tried the beard struggle, let me know what you thought. And if you haven't, go check out my last review that I did on them probably about a year ago. See how they've changed. Yeah, stay tuned for that review coming soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.